สะภิกขุเวตาอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภิกขุเวตาอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภิกขุเวตาอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะ
นะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะ
พุทธังสรณังกัจฉามิ
พุทธังสรณังกัจฉามิ
ธัมมังสรณังกัจฉามิ
ธัมมังสรณังกัจฉามิ
สังฆังสรณังกัจฉามิ
สังฆังสรณังกัจฉามิ
ติยัมปิพุทธังสรณังกัจฉามิ
ทุติยัมปิพุทธังสรณังกัจฉามิ
ติยัมปิธัมมังสรณังกัจฉามิ
ทุติยัมปิธัมมังสรณังกัจฉามิ
ติยัมปิสังฆังสรณังกัจฉามิ
ทุติยัมปิสังฆังสรณังกัจฉามิ
ติยัมปิพุทธังสรณังกัจฉามิ
ตติยัมปิพุทธังสรณังกัจฉามิ
ติยัมปิธัมมังสรณังกัจฉามิ
ตติยัมปิธัมมังสรณังกัจฉามิ
ติยัมปิสังฆังสรณังกัจฉามิ
ตติยัมปิสังฆังสรณังกัจฉามิ
ปิสรณะเกหะนังปะริปันนัง
อาเมพันเต
ปานาติปาตาเวรมณีสักขาปะเตงสัมมาติจิยมิ
ปานาติปาตาเวรมณีสิกขาปะทังสมาธิเยมิ
อัตตเนียเตเนียเวรมณีสักขาปะเตงสัมมาติจิยมิ
อัตตเนียเตียเนียเวรมณีสิกขาปะทังสมาธิเยมิ
กาเมสุมิจฉาจาราเวรมณีสักขาปะเตงสัมมาติจิยมิ
กาเมสุมิจฉาจาราเวรมณีสิกขาปะทังสมาธิเยมิ
สาเวตีเวรมณีสักขาปะเตงสัมมาติจิยมิ
มุสาวิยติเวรมณี
เมรยมัจจปมาเตภานาเวรมณีสักขาปะเตงสัมมาติจิยมิ
โสราเมรยมัจจปมาดทานาเวรมณีสิกขาปะทังสมาธิเยมิ
อิมานิปัญจสักขาปะเตนิสาธุกังกัตวาอปมาเตนะนิจจกาลังสมาราคิตาเปง
อาเมพันเต
ไสเลนะสุกตัญญันเตไสเลนะโภกะสัมปติไสเลนะนปุตตัญญันเตตัสมาไสลังวิสาเทเย
สาธุสาธุสาธุ
ป
នឹងតបគុំគោរព
ខ្ញុំសូមគោរព
អបិទ្ធប្រកាសណាដោយចម្រើនហើយ
អបិទ្ធប្រកាសណាដ៏ចម្រើនហើយ
ចង្ហាន់បណ្ឌបាត
រីចំហាន់បណ្ឌបាត
នៃយើងខ្ញុំទាំងឡាយ
នៃយើងខ្ញុំទាំងឡាយ
បានតាក់តែងហើយ
បានតាក់តែងហើយ
មកតម្កល់ទុកក្នុងទីនេះ
ក៏មកតម្កល់ទុកក្នុងទីនេះ
ប្រកបដោយធម៌
ក៏ដោយធម៌
បានមកដោយធម៌
បានមកដោយធម៌
កើតឡើងដោយធម៌
កើតឡើងដោយធម៌
ខ្ញុំប្រកាសណាទាំងឡាយ
ប្រកាសណាទាំងឡា
សូ
យ
មទូចំពោះ
សូមឧទ្ទិសចំពោះ
ដល់វិញ្ញាណក្ខន្ធ
ដល់វិញ្ញាណក្ខន្ធ
ឧបាសិកាលឹមកំសាន្ត
វាសិកាលឹមកំសា
ដែល
ន្ត
គឺតែអនិច្ចកម្ម
ដែលត្រូវតែនិច្ចកម្ម
អស់វិរៈ7ថ្ងៃក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះ
អររយៈ7ថ្ងៃក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះ
ហើយខ្ញុំប្រកាសណាទាំងឡាយ
ហើយខ្ញុំប្រកាសណាទាំងឡាយ
សូមវេនៅ
សូមវេនៅ
មគ្គកផត
មគ្គកផត
ព្រមទាំងបរិខារ
ព្រមទាំងបរិខារ
ប្រគេនចំពោះព្រះករុណា
គេចំពោះប្រកាសណា
មានព្រះពុទ្ធបរមរូប
មានព្រះពុទ្ធបរមរូប
ស្នងព្រះអង្គជាប្រធាន
ក្នុងព្រះអង្គជាប្រធាន
បពិតព្រះករុណាដ៏មានសិលចម្រើន
ព្រះប្រកាសណាដែលមានសិលដល់ចម្រើន
សូមមេត្តាអនុគ្រោះ
សូមមេត្តាអនុគ្រោះ
ទទួលនៅ
ទទួលនៅ
មគ្គកផត
មគ្គកផត
គឺផតដែលខ្ញុំប្រកាសណាទាំងឡាយ
ផតដែលខ្ញុំប្រកាសណាទាំងឡា
ហើយ
យ
ដើម្បីឧទ្ទិស
ថ្វាយដើម្បីឧទ្ទិស
ចំពោះវិញ្ញាណក្ខន្ធ
ចំពោះវិញ្ញាណក្ខន្ធ
ឧបាសិកាលឹមកំសាន្ត
បាសិកាលឹមកំសា
គឺ
ន្ត
តែអនិច្ចកម្ម
គឺតានិច្ចក
ក្នុង
ម្ម
ពេលថ្មីនេះ
ក្នុងពេលថ្មីនេះ
សូមឧបាសិកាលឹមកំសាន្ត
សូមបាសិកាលឹមកំសាន្ត
ចូលសម្គាល់នៅ
ចូលសម្គាល់នៅ
មគ្គកផត
មគ្គកផ
ព្រ
ត
មទាំងបរិខារ
ព្រ
នេះ
មទាំងបរិខារនេះ
ថាបីដូចជារបស់នៃខ្លួន
បីដូចជារបស់នៃខ្លួន
ហើយសូមអនុមោទនាយកចោះ
ហើយសូមអនុមោទនាយកចោល
លោកអនុមោទនារួចហើយ
សូមអនុមោទនារួចហើយ
សូមឲ្យរួចរំដោះ
សូមឲ្យរួចរំដោះ
ចាក់ទុកទោស
ចាក់ទុកទោ
និង
ស
ពីវរាទាំងពួង
និងមានវរិយទាំងពួ
សូ
ង
មឲ្យបានសម្រេច
សូមឲ្យបានសម្រេច
នៅសម្បត្តិទាំងឡាយ3ប្រការ
នៅសម្បត្តិទាំងឡាយ3ប្រការ
គឺសម្បត្តិមនុស្ស
គឺសម្បត្តិមនុស្ស
ទេវតា
សម្បត្តិទេវតា
និងសម្បត្តិព្រះនិព្វាន
និងសម្បត្តិព្រះនិព្វាន
តាមសំគួរ
តាមសំគួរ
ដល់សេចក្តីប្រាថ្នា
ដល់សេចក្តីប្រាថ្នា
របស់ឧបាសិកាលឹមកំសាន្តនោះចុះ
របស់បាសិកាលឹមកំសាន្តនោះចុះ
ហើយអំណាចផល្លានិសង្ឃ
ដោយអំណាចផល្លានិសង្ឃ
នឹងហូរជូនទៅ
ដែលហូរជូនទៅ
នឹងហូរជូនមក
ហូរជូនមក
មិនដាច់នេះហោ
ដាច់នេះហោ
អស់វិរៈ2ដងផ
អស់វរៈ2ដងផ
អស់វិរៈ3ដងផ
អស់វរៈ3ដងផ
ដើម្បីសេចក្តីចម្រើន
ដើម្បីសេចក្តីចម្រើន
ដើម្បីជាប្រយោជន៍
ដើម្បីជាប្រយោជន៍
ដើម្បីសេចក្តីសុខ
ដើម្បីសេចក្តីសុខ
ដល់លោកអ្នកដ៏មានគុណទាំងឡាយ
ដល់លោកអ្នកដ៏មានគុណទាំងឡា
មាន
យ
មេត្តាបៃតា
មានមេត្តាបៃតា
និងក្រុមញាតិជាដើមផង
និងក្រុមញាតិជាដើមផង
ដល់យើងខ្ញុំប្រកាសណាទាំងឡាយផង
ដល់យើងខ្ញុំបច្ចរណាទាំងឡាយផ
អស់ កាយយូរវែងទៅវ
អរកាយទៅយួងໄວទៅវង
អូសច្ចៃរੰវតយ៉ាងកាយយោសក្កាนังមរណังកាលេឆពេតវាសោសានេអបេតវិញ្ញាណោ ตารายโเอาเวียนอันตรายพัดตัวสมาธิเป็นอย่างนี้อาตาเปียงเกเรยันนวกายเยดาวิจังบรรณาสาติกเสสุขตังกตังเยสัตตาสัญญินาวอัตเตเยสัตตาสัญญินาวกตังปัญญาพลังไมหังสาเปพิยติภวันโตเตเยตังกตังสวิติกันตันนังปัญญาพลังไมเยเยจตาทันเจียนันเตเตเวียตวันตวานิเวตยงสัพเปโลกังเมเยสัตตาจีวันตาหาระเหตุกามะนัญญังพุญนังสัพเปละปันโตมะมะเจตัสสันเต
ខាងស្ដាំគាត់ក៏ឲ្យវាលៀមវាស្រេកក្មួយហ្នឹងវាឃើញយាយអញ្ចឹងវាស្រេកអូស្រេកគាត់ក៏វាទៀហ្វូនមកខ្ញុំព្រោះខ្ញុំបាក់កំប៉ុងបាត់មកពី Michigan ណាគាត់វាលៀមវាស្រេកទៅខ្ញុំថាហៅ911ហើយទៅហៅទៅ ambulance គេមកគេថាម៉ាក់ខ្ញុំទៅមាន stroke គាត់ដល់ពេលយកគាត់ទៅ ER ទៅពេលទៅពេលថាសរសៃគាត់នៅគោះក្បាលវាបែកបែកទៅវាឈាមនឹងវាហូរទៅដល់គោះក្បាលដល់ហើយគេមិនអាចសេគាត់បានទេគាត់ទៅថាគេមិនឲ្យគាត់ដៃ support ទៅហើយក៏គេប្រាប់ថាពួកយើងត្រូវគិតចង់គាត់ដាក់ដៃ support គាត់ពីការអស់ហើយថាពីការអស់ហើយគាត់ដាក់គ្រូឥឡូវហ្នឹងអត់ស្គាល់គោស្គាល់ចៅគាត់ដើរបានទេហើយខ្ញុំជួបនឹងបងប្អូនខ្ញុំគ្រួសារខ្ញុំទាំងអស់គួយចៅគាត់មកជុំហូបគាត់ខ្ញុំឲ្យខ្ញុំមកហូបនៅក្នុងដល់មកពីដល់ម៉ោង9:32មកខ្ញុំហូបយកដល់ខ្ញុំចាំបានដល់គាត់ទៅនឹងមានទៅណាចាំបានខ្ញុំចង់អរគុណមានពូឯងមកលេងបានឲ្យគាត់ឲ្យខ្ញុំដែរខ្ញុំសប្បាយចិត្តណាស់បងពូអរគុណខ្ញុំសប្បាយចិត្តណាស់ឃើញបងឯងបានមកអញ្ចឹងហើយជួយខ្ញុំជួយទៅខ្ញុំបងប្អូនអរគុណគឺគាត់មកគាត់ជួយថែទៀតហើយពួកយើងក្មេងៗពួកយើងនៅមានម៉ែខំមកស្អាតម៉ែខំជួយម៉ែទៅវិញព្រោះអីយើងមិនដឹងថ្ងៃស្អែកឬថ្ងៃក្រោយឬមួយខែឬមួយឆ្នាំយើងមិនដឹងព្រោះយើងនឹងស្រឡាញ់បងប្អូនគ្នាព្រោះបងប្អូននឹងអស់ស្រីអ្នកហ្នឹងម៉ាក់ខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យពួកខ្ញុំបងប្អូនខ្ញុំស្រឡាញ់គ្នាចូលចិត្តគ្នាដើរលេងទៅស្អីជាមួយគ្នាហើយខ្ញុំនៅនៅឡងនេះខ្ញុំអត់អីនេះខ្ញុំឲ្យបងប្អូនខ្ញុំថ្ងៃស្អែកអ្នកទឹកយើងមក barbecue ជាមួយគ្នាអស់ខែហើយឥឡូវនៅផ្ទះហ្នឹងគឺអត់មានបងប្អូននៅផ្ទះខ្ញុំអត់ដូចតែអត់មានម៉ាក់ខ្ញុំនៅផ្ទះនេះតែហើយតែបងប្អូនខ្ញុំមកលេងខ្ញុំទៅតាមដល់ម៉ាក់ខ្ញុំនៅរួមដែរហើយអរឡើងគាត់នៅរួមដល់ហើយយកបាននេះហ្នឹងគាត់មកពីយកសក់ខ្លួនគាត់មកលេងដល់មិនសល់ខ្ញុំលេងចាគាត់គាត់ថាវាមួយទៀតលោកគេមួយចៅនឹងវាថាយើងកំពុងនិយាយជាមួយខ្ញុំ you know ដល់ហើយចង់បានអរគុណនឹងទៀតហើយណា financial place with my mom and how like I'm so grateful that everyone that came here and helped celebrate my mom's go away to heaven and that I'm really I'm like really touched that all you are here to support her and I know that this means a lot to her and I explained how my mom she loves the temple so much like this is her life she wants to dedicate the rest of her life coming here to the temple and like I was explaining about but the family already knew like what exactly took place and what happened to my mom I don't have to do that but she loves all of us you know like grandkids children and everyone she loves all of us and she wants all of us to be together and you know get together and celebrate continue celebrating her so Yeah, so again, I just wanted to thank anyone that has traveled from far away to be here to celebrate with us. And I was also explaining to everyone, like, if you have parents, make sure you take care of them, make sure you travel with them, make sure you go places with them, because tomorrow isn't promised, and that you really need to spend that quality time with them and do things for your parents right now, Like, I know a lot of elderly here, they don't have even, a transportation to go to the grocery store, to go anywhere. And that, to be, co-parents about doing things like this for elderly, whether it's your parents or not, like, if you have a chance to, just do it. Like, you never know, Like the monk was saying that, like, you can't celebrate when you're dead, like, you have to celebrate now. You have to do good karma. You have to do good things now. So, like, you can, go to heaven and you can be with, so, like, you will have all these people loving around you and surrounding you. Like, and that's what my mom was. She said, like, this is what my mom portrayed in the monk. He's like, he said, like, it's very difficult to find family that will stick together and stay together. So, I just wanted to thank again to everyone that come here and also donated money to help with, celebrating this event for my mom, and that we have far away to go back home. I hope you have a safe travel, and so just keep being good to one another and love each other. Thank you.